Page flying open racing favorite Chanel goes for the leader. Dazzling right behind in second, moving up in third. Kiss Bang Bang, then followed by entry number 2, that's Gia Conti. Out of straight day travel. It's now Dazzling for the outside favorite Chanel. Catalaya coming from behind now. And past the half mile, it's Catalaya and Dazzling far out for the leader. Alang Kanaya favorite Chanel, then followed closely now by Kiss Bang Bang, Tilangs back in fifth, Gio Contia. Long way back, Lady of Diamond, Storm Apple, and Stronghold as they pass the last 600. Dazzling now regains the lead. Favorite Chanel moving up by the real Kiss Bang Bang, Catalaya driving in fourth. Here comes Gio Conti as they swing for home. Favorite Chanel now in form. Alang followed by Dazzling. Kiss Bang Bang for the outside, but still Favorite Chanel. So wings away now to about 4 and is going to win the first race. Favorite Chanel close. Kiss Bang Bang, Dazzling, Gio Conti.
Bayang Karerista, para po sa inyong race number 1, the favorite po numero 7, Favorite Chanel, with Patty Ardilema ang nanguna. At mas segundo dyan, numero 3, Kiss Bang Bang. At numero 8, Dazzling, close po yan dyan. Numero 2, Gio Conti. So 7, 3, 8, 2. Medyo nabitin tayo sa ating pentafecta. Balikan muna natin ang ating replay for race number 1.